What is the difference between a Java abstract class and a Java interface? Option A, an abstract class cannot be extended while an interface can. Option B, an abstract class can have constructors while an interface cannot. Option C, an interface can have static methods while an abstract class cannot. Option D, there is no difference. Okay, let's check all these options one by one and find out which is a correct option. But before that, just let me tell you what is Java abstract class and what is Java interface. These two things I will explain before jumping on the options. Okay, so Java abstract class, let me just write the abstract class. Okay, just let me tell you what is abstract class so that you can make a good choice and choose a correct options in this MCQ question. Okay, first thing we have, that is constructors. Okay, just let me change the color so that it is easily visible to you. Okay, constructors. Abstract classes can have constructors which can be used to initialize state. Then second, we have methods in abstract class. Like abstract classes can have both abstract methods, like methods without a body, and concrete methods, like methods with a body. Since Java 8, they can also have static methods. Like abstract class can have method without a body and method with body and also static methods because of Java 8. Okay, just let me tell you one more, that is third one. Let me change the color. Yes, third one is fields. Abstract classes can have instance variable with any visibility, like private, protected, default and public. Let me write it on. It can be private, public, protected and default. Fields, it means that variables in abstract class. Okay, let me tell you fourth one. This is the some information which I am just telling you. After knowing this all, you will be able to make a good choice for this question. Okay, just go for the fourth one, that is inheritance. A class can extend only one abstract class because Java does not support multiple inheritance with classes. So this is done. Fifth one is access modifiers. Abstract class methods can have any visibility, like public, protected and private. So now I have given you 5 information about the abstract class, and just let me talk about another one, that is Java interface. Okay, let's talk about the interface. Okay, just put some point which is important for interface. I'm just showing you. Before that, we have explained what is the abstract class. Now we are going to know what is interface. And why we try to know, because we want to solve this type of questions where we need to recognize the correct answer. So here what we are doing, first we are taking some examples, taking some information about that so that it would be easy for we choose a correct answer. Okay, just let me explain about the interface. Okay, in interface, first let's talk about constructors and what is true in interface. Interface cannot have constructors. Okay, let's check second one. We have checked here methods. Okay, let's check method in interface. Interface is traditionally only declared abstract methods. Since Java 8, interfaces can have default methods, method with a body and static methods. Since Java 9, interfaces can also have private methods. Because of Java 9, interfaces can have private methods. Okay, now let's take the third one. Like here we have taken field. So same thing I'm explaining inside the interface, like fields. All fields in an interface are implicitly public, static and final. all the fields, like all the variables in an interface are implicitly public. Let me change the color. Okay, public, static, and final. Final is what? It is a constant. Okay, now let's check about fourth one. We have checked here that was inheritance. Just let me highlight it. Yes, here we have checked inheritance. So fourth one, in interface, I'm going to check inheritance. Fourth one is inheritance. A class can implement multiple interfaces, allowing for multiple inheritance of type. Like in Java, we cannot implement the multiple inheritance, but through interfaces it is possible in Java. Yes. Okay, now let's know about fifth one. I have taken here access modifier. So let's check access modifier. Access modifiers. What is access modifier in interfaces? Methods in an interface are implicitly public. Methods, let me write. Methods in an interface are implicitly public. Public. Which is public? Methods are public. Okay, so to just conclude, what is that? To sum up all these, just I'm telling you, abstract classes and interfaces serve different purposes. Now let's check all the options. Let's check option D first. There is no difference. So this option is wrong, because abstract classes and interfaces serve different purposes and have different capabilities in Java. An abstract class is more suitable when there is a need for shared code among several closely related classes, while interfaces are used to specify what a class must do without dictating how it should do it. Okay, now it's a time to check option C. Let me just change the color. Okay, option C is an interface can have static methods while an abstract class cannot. Okay, let's check. I have already explained you who has a static method, who is not having the static method. So okay, let's come into the abstract class. Here just check inside the methods. Yes, we have static methods in the abstract class. Here what we see, while an abstract class cannot. No, abstract class we have seen here we have the static methods. So that is why C option is wrong. Okay, let's check A option first, then we go for the B option. Okay, A option, an abstract class cannot be extended while an interface can. Like abstract class, I have already explained you here, inheritance. Abstract class can extend only one abstract class because Java does not support multiple inheritance with classes. So that is why this statement is wrong. Abstract class cannot be extended, but it can be extended only one abstract class because Java does not support multiple inheritance with classes. So that is why A option is wrong. Okay, just check B option, but we have a MCQ, so B option is correct. And let me just justify why it is correct. An abstract class can have constructors while an interface cannot. Let me highlight. An abstract class can have constructors while an interface cannot. Okay, let's check who has constructors and who is not having constructors. Okay, let's check first abstract class. In abstract class, do we have constructors? Yes, here we have seen the constructors in abstract class. Like abstract classes can have constructors which can be used to initialize state. So the first statement, that is abstract class can have constructors. Yes, right, it is true. Okay, let's verify the second statement, while an interface cannot. Okay, let's see inside the interface. Yes, here we have interface. Do interfaces have the constructors or not? Just tell me. Constructors are present in interfaces or not? No. we do not have constructors in interfaces. So this statement is correct, while an interface cannot. So that is why B option is correct. B option is correct.